So if there's a tendency within the system, yeah, to get sick, there's a tendency within the system to have cardiovascular problems, yeah, whether that's strokes or heart attacks, yeah, there's a tendency within the system for more likelihood of toxic cellular growth, cancers, yeah. There's more likelihood for inflammatory conditions and diseases, such as arthritis or any other condition where the autoimmune function of the body is going a bit out of balance. And we can return to balance by working with conscious breath work. Evidence for this? Well, there's lots of evidence out there. You just have to look at books like Coherence by Dr. Alan Watkins. Coherence by Dr. Alan Watkins, yeah, which is the HeartMath Institute has lots and lots and lots of research on this now. Yeah, heart rate variability is being taken up by the medical profession finally, yeah, as a key indicator of well-being. The key practices of working with heart rate variability are what? Conscious breath work. So healing, a return to balance, is a key element of why we practice conscious breath work. It doesn't just sustain healing, it keeps us in good flow. Because better than healing is keeping in flow. Prevention is better than cure. If you've gone out of balance, you can return to balance. Way better is staying in balance. So conscious breath work keeps us in balance. It keeps us in flow. It keeps us in that capacity, yeah, to stay well. And staying well is what conscious breath work gives us.